presenting Pralayantara.
Pralayantara has been my first experimental dance theatre.
सूर्यरश्मिकी पूजे दिव्यपद्ममुनेनु.
For the premiere, I think the response that I've received, I think for at least 10-15 days I had calls from almost all the guests, the audience, my friends and the students' parents who called in, who was congratulating on the concept and the execution of the whole play. This experimental dance theatre has seen a lot of highs and lows during the whole process of making this production. During the music, I think I literally had tears. I really couldn't hold back my tears with the music that Dr. Joseph Butler has created and the soul of the whole music that has been given by Chandana Balakalyan ma'am and the lyrics by Kiran Chakravartila garu. Thank you so much. Most importantly, I have to thank all my dancers, my instructors who have worked days and nights, have bared my torture, and I am extremely blessed to have them all in my life. Apart from this, we also had wonderful dancers who have done as Panchabhutas in my play along with me as Bhumi. The main person I want to really thank from the bottom of my heart is Teja Anna, Teja Kakumanu, the actor and director. There's a lot to learn from him and I'm very grateful that I've worked with such wonderful actor Teja Anna. Even though this is Bhumi and Naika is Manisha and Manu, but he's a Leo. He's a Leo of the whole production. And without him, I'm sure what I'm going to do with cinema is possible. Thank you so much, Anna. We have also introduced small scenes in the very last with some little cute girls of mine who played as animals also, you know, where the Bhumi and the animals co-create the human being, the Manishi. I think there is a lot that we have experimented till the last minute, but everything, I think everybody put their heart into this, so I'm sure, you know, it has become something that I will cherish forever. This powerful dialogue between Bhumi and Manishi would not have been so powerful without the voiceover of Tanikala Bharani garu. Sir, thank you so much. Your voice has given a complete life to the whole production. Any of my production or any of my experiments that I've done whole my life would never be complete without my dad being involved in it. And he has been involved since day one in the concepting, scripting, music, choreography. So he, you know, takes equal credits for this and he has also voiced for this. And from what I envisioned to what it has come in reality, all thanks to Kirti Anna. Kirti Anna has added the whole magic with his lighting. My savior in these kind of experiments that I do. Sudhir, my friend from college, he has been associated with me in a lot of creative projects and he has given a lot of creative inputs in this. And I'm very grateful for everybody who has been a part of it, played it, experienced it, and the whole audience that have, you know, made my show houseful. Thank you so much. I will always be grateful because this is my premium production. It only feels overwhelming at this moment where I would definitely want to take this ahead and show to the whole world about this little experiment that we have created. And maybe I'll have a lot of you come and wish us at our next shows of Pralayantara. Thank you.